Welcome to another healthy video. Today I'm sharing the recipe of my family's favorite breakfast smoothie for you. It is so delicious that everyone loves the taste. It is highly nutritious and has no added sugars. It contains all natural and wholesome ingredients. Millet Cocoa Breakfast Smoothie with no banana, no sugar and vegan option. For the smoothie we need dates 3 to 5, cashew nuts 12 numbers, almonds 10 numbers soaked and peeled, whole finger millet or ragi flour 2 tablespoons, almond milk or dairy milk half cup, unsweetened cocoa powder 1 teaspoon, cinnamon a small piece. Soak the nuts and dates in water before preparing the smoothie. Almonds need to be soaked longer. You can keep it in the fridge overnight. Cashews and dates soak faster. Soak for at least 2 hours. Morning here is cold and windy today. The brine green peppercorns look pretty good, no mold. The nuts and dates have soaked well. Nuts are soaked to reduce the anti-nutritional factor called phytic acid. Dates are easy to blend when soaked. Peel the soaked almonds. Almond peel is a rich source of fiber and it is completely safe to eat it. But almond peel contains tannins which make it difficult to digest. So for those with digestion issues, it is better to remove the peel before eating it. It may also taste bitter in smoothie, so I removed it. Remove seeds from the dates. Mix the ragi flour in a small amount of water to make a thin paste. Heat half a cup of water. Add the ragi flour mixed in water to this. Stir continuously. Add the cinnamon piece as well. Once it starts thickening, add half a cup of milk of choice. For a vegan version, almond milk can be used. Keep stirring until the millet cooks completely. Let it cool down. Add the cooked and cooled millet to a blender jar, followed by a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, dates, cashew nuts, and almonds. Blend it. Our healthy and delicious breakfast smoothie is ready. You can add unsweetened vegan dark chocolate for additional health benefits. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants that protect our body from oxidative damage, and anti-inflammatory compounds reduce inflammation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for healthy, science-based recipes and food-related information. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.